Millions of apps now ship from people who can't fix them. Talos is a repair company with 0 employees, and one rule makes it work. No agents here mark their own homework. The thing that writes the fixes has no authority to approve it. One broken revenue flow, real deployed pages genuinely broken. The checkout refuses to create a payment intent. We didn't diagnose this, Replay did. It explored the app on its own, recorded it and its root cause through JavaScript with no source maps. The component reads stale React state. Instead of the ID, it's just generated. So the request carries an empty intent. Pioneer's open models compiles that report into a typed hashed repair spec. No valid spec, no sandbox. A coding agent writes the patch against this spec, scoped to run in an isolated superserve VM with no payment credentials inside. 2 attempts, max. Software passing tests isn't the same as a person succeeding. So we verify what we actually sell. Real people from Terak's general population try the broken flow. The cohort is complete, a fresh cohort screens, so nobody repeats. Replays our gate, Terak's our customers. As you can see, the 200 OK, only then does Stripe reveal the link. Pay without an order reference, refused. Same event twice, 1 record. The gate is the domain layer. There's no code path around it. The patch we made, Replay proved the software, fresh people proved the outcome, Stripe proved the payment. No proof, no payment.